Hi, hello guys, welcome back to an interesting series of web designing tutorial part 2. And you're watching Coding World, the place where you can learn any language for free. Today we are discussing 4 topics. Our first topic is header tags. There are 6 types of header tags: H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. Gradually the size is decreases from H1 tag to H6 tag. Let's see. So I'm writing 6 tags. Okay, save the file. Let's see. The 6 heading tags have a different types of sizes. So by using header tags, we can differentiate our paragraphs or text. Our second topic is inline text formatting. By using inline text formatting, we can design our font, background color, style, and size. Inline text formatting is outdating one. In the next section, we are discussing a CSS. It is the easy way to format the text. So for inline text formatting, I am using a font tag. Font tag have a different types of attributes. One of the attribute is font face. I am giving Arial. Another attribute is size. I am giving a numerical value. Another one is color. I am giving blue color. Face, size, color. These are known as an attributes. Attributes mainly used in CSS. I can give a complete details of attributes in CSS section. So save the file. See here the coding world size is increases and its color become to a blue. So by using font tag or either inline text formatting, we can design our text. Our third topic is ordered list. For ordered list, the tag is OL. So I'm creating a list. Python, and next one is JavaScript. Save the file. In order list, the list is attached with a numerical values. Let's go to our fourth topic, unordered list. For unordered list, the tag is UL. So I'm copying this one. So change this OL to UL. Okay. Save the file. So in unordered list, the list is attached within a bullets. So for ordered list, the list is attached with a numerical values. For unordered list, the list is attached with the bullets. This is the comparison of ordered list and unordered list. Thanks for watching. For any doubts, text me in comment box.